Hello, this is a quick video to show how to break objects in Blender. In this tutorial, I will break a cube, so we can go to Add, Merge, and add a cube. Also to view it, if you want to break object, we need to install add-on, go to Edit and Preferences, and go to Get Extensions. We can search Cell Fracture, and then click Install to install Cell Fracture. And I close this window, and then we can make sure that we select the object and go to Objects and go to Quick Effects. We can find Cell Fracture here. Click it, and the Cell Fracture panel is pop up, and then we can customize the setting. Firstly, I want to keep the default setting and press OK. So we can see that the cube is divided into pieces. We can see that the original cube I make it invisible, and there's many pieces of the cube. Now I press Ctrl Z to undo it. If you want to break it randomly, we can go to Cell Fracture again, and then we can go to Noise and enter 1, and then I will use 1 in recursion. In random factor, we can use 0.5, and I press OK. So it breaks randomly. Now I make the original cube invisible, and I right click and add the new collection and push the pieces into new collection. So make the outliner clean. Now if we want to make animation, let's say make it break, we can select one piece and then go to Physics and choose rigid body, and then we can choose active in type of rigid body, and then we can play the animation, so it's falling down. Now if we press A and then go to Objects and go to rigid body again, and we can copy from active. So all the pieces have rigid body in active. Now I play it again. All pieces are falling down. If we want to make it break, we need to add another object. Let's say I add a pen and put it under the cube and scale the pen. And then in the rigid body, I set the pen to passive. Now we can play the animation again, so it's broken. So this is how we can break objects in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.